We use and to add information, but to show contrast and or to present a choice. These are.
Have you ever spoken a sentence and suddenly you felt like you needed to add something extra? Maybe an idea, a condition, or another reason. Well, congratulations, you were looking for conjunction. So in today's video, we are going to learn what conjunctions are, how to use them, and common mistakes that we commonly make. Well, sit back and relax. We're going to make your English grammar super easy. What is a conjunction? So a conjunction is a word that is used to connect a word, phrases, or a sentence. For example, Rahul and Riya are friends. So and here is a conjunction which is connecting two words. I wanted to go out, but it started raining. But is connecting. You going out and it started pouring, right? So the two phrases. You can call me when you reach home. Again, two phrases here, and your when is a conjunction. So we have basically three types of conjunctions. We are going to break that in detail. We have coordinating conjunction, we have subordinating conjunction, and then we have correlative conjunction. Is coordinating conjunction. These join two equal parts, two nouns, two verbs, or two independent clauses or sentences. For example, for, and, nor, but, or, yet. So these are the words which are called coordinating conjunctions. Easy way to remember this is, say FANBOYS, right? FANBOYS, FANBOYS, easy to remember the word, right? And FANBOYS stands for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so that way you can easily remember what coordinating conjunction words are. For example, I was tired, so I slept early. She is smart and she is hardworking, right? So those are two examples of your coordinating conjunction words with a sentence. We have subordinating conjunctions. These will join a dependent clause, right, with an independent clause. When I say clause, I mean a sentence. So dependent clause, dependent sentence is a sentence which cannot stand by itself, right? The words for subordinating conjunctions would be because, although, though, when, while, before, if, unless. So this will basically show you time, reason, contrast, comparison, and condition. Let's look at some examples here. I didn't go to work because I was sick. Because is your subordinating conjunction here. Although it was raining, she went for a walk, right? Call me when you reach. Again, you won't succeed unless you work hard. So quick tip here for subordinating conjunctions are that these words often answer your questions such as why, when, under what condition. Next, we have correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions always come in pairs. Either or, neither nor, both and, not only, but also, whether, or, right? So let's look at some of the examples here, and it's easy to remember. Correlative conjunctions are very easy because you correlate things here, right? So example, either you start now or you will miss the bus. Both Riya and Mira are joining us for dinner. She's not only smart, but also very hard. So your conjunctions were either or, both, and, Ria and Mira are joining us. So both and she is not only smart, so not only but also. Those are your conjunctions. Look at some examples here, or common mistakes that we make, right? Um, Negative and positive sentences, that's where we go wrong. So for example, either he will come or I will not go. That's incorrect way of using the sentence here in the conjunction. You would rather say either he will come or I will go. Next, adding unnecessary words such as although, but it was raining. No, although it was raining, then you finish your sentence. Using as and because together. I didn't go as because I was tired. No, I didn't go because I was tired. Simple. Using two conjunctions at the same time, not required. Now, let's look at some of the tips on how to choose the right conjunction. Okay, you would use add when adding similar ideas, such as she's intelligent and confident. Use but when showing contrast. I like tea, but I like coffee better. Use so when showing results, such as it was late, so we left. Use because when you're giving a reason, right? I left early because I had to work. Use if and unless when showing condition. So you'd say if you study, you will pass. If you study, you will pass. Although and though when showing unexpected contrast. For example, although it was cold, you went swimming. All right, now it's your turn. I'm going to give you practice questions, fill in the blanks, just a few. Try those and put the answers in the comment section. I woke up late, dash, I still reached on time. Dash, it rains, we will cancel the trip. I didn't buy the shoes, but they were too expensive. I said that right. Right. She's not only smart, dash, also very polite. So use these three sentences, answer, and put your answer in the comment section below. Now, conjunctions may be small words, right? But they make your sentences very powerful and meaningful as well. So if you like the video, go ahead, hit the like button, comment, share with your friends. And if there are more topics that you want me to cover, I will go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching. You're watching Learn Fluent English with Rajesh. I'm Rajesh. Now see you in the next video.